In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split invoice payments in Zoho Books. If a customer pays an invoice in two parts, Zoho Books makes it easy to record each portion separately so your records stay accurate and tidy. Start by opening your invoice. From the left pane, click Sales, then select Invoices. You'll see a list of all your invoices. Find the one you want to split. You can scroll, sort, or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Click the invoice to open its details page. At the top of the invoice page, click Record Payment. This is where you'll log the first portion of the payment. In the payment form, enter the amount you received for the first part. If the client is paying half, enter half of the total invoice amount. Add the payment date to match when you actually receive the funds. Choose the payment mode, such as bank transfer, card, or check, and include a reference number if you have one, like a transaction ID. You can also add a brief note to describe the payment, which helps later when you or your team review the invoice history. Double-check the amount and details, then click Save. Now you'll record the second part of the payment. You should still be on the same invoice. Again, click Record Payment at the top. In the new payment form, enter the remaining amount. If the two halves were paid on different days, be sure to set the correct date for this second payment and select the appropriate payment mode and reference. Add a note if it helps clarify, then click Save. Once both entries are saved, look at the invoice page. You'll see a list or section showing payments received. Both payments will appear there as separate records, each with its own date, amount, and method. The invoice balance will update automatically after each entry, so after the second payment is saved, the balance due should be fully cleared. This split view makes your audit trail clear, showing exactly how and when each portion was paid. A couple of quick tips as you work. Always match the amounts to what actually hit your account, and keep dates accurate to reflect your cash flow. Notes and references are your friend. Use them to avoid confusion later. And if you're ever unsure about the totals, glance at the remaining balance on the invoice before saving the second payment. That's all you need to do. By recording two separate payments on the same invoice, you've successfully split the payment in Zoho Books while keeping your records clean and consistent.